What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to be working on my Chevy Silverado 5.3 engine on these headers right here. On both sides, I'm going to be taking off the old headers and bolts. Hopefully I can get off that with ease, because I know this is an old truck and the last person that had work on this didn't have the best mechanic skills. I'm not saying mine are going to be any better, but I'm going to try to make things better or right, because I know that he left the bolt very much at the end. I don't know if you guys can see from very far end, there's a bolt broken or missing back there. Be replacing those headers with these headers that I found on Facebook off another person, Power Go Motorsports. And I have OEM headers downstairs. I just like how these look, and the guy told me that they were gonna sound better than OEM. I'm gonna take his word for it, and if anything, I'll just take them off and end up going with long tube headers. They just weren't in my price range at the moment. And then on top of that, we're gonna go with, I did buy Felpro ones, gaskets to go with this, but I don't like how flimsy they are, which I don't know if that's a huge deal or not, but these OEM ones are not flimsy at all, and they don't bend easily. So I don't know if I'm just tripping about it a little too much, thinking about it too hard, but I'm just gonna go with the OEM ones instead of Felpro, just because of the quality of how they feel. But I just got the truck up on the jack here, and then we're gonna get some stands going, get those wheels off, and we're gonna try to attack this from the side angle, as I've been seeing off from other people's YouTube videos, and see how far we can go. Hopefully we can get some new headers on here. Alrighty, so now that we have one tire off, because from this side I was getting ready to get all these tires off and I forgot to loosen up one thing. One bolt. No. It's always something. It's okay, because we got this tire off on this side, so I'm gonna get started on the right side, driver's side header, which while we're down here, I might as well check some things out. I know I need a new shock. I know. Don't say nothing. Okay, I need some shocks. They will be coming. I did a brake job on this truck not too long ago. Looks like they're holding up. Rotors are holding up. Although, concerning thing is, if I expand this out and shoot the camera up,
brother,
this is super concerning.
What's that?
I hate seeing that.
What's that,
But
brother?
it's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but it's something that I can fix, I think. At least that's the way I would like to think about it. Yeah, stuff like that I don't like. I'm starting to think just placing the whole frame, but yeah, obviously, yeah, looks like there's some rubbing going on here too. But yeah, let's get started on taking off this black plastic and have more access to the header here. Alrighty, y'all, so I got an update. We got it. We got them off. This side was probably the easiest to take off the bolts, but the hardest to reroute, like this oil dipstick right here. Had to get that out of the way, bend it out of the way a little bit, and then drop the wide pipe, which is right there. I didn't drop it all the way because I'm working by myself, and it's just makes it easier just to put back up. And then on this side as well, got it out of the way. Lucky for me, none of the bolts were hard to take off. Previously, from the guy before, I still have one bolt back here that's stuck in there. We're just gonna probably leave it. I'm not so sure, honestly. I don't know if I should take it out or not, because it was the same thing on this side. I guess he was just lazy and I didn't check on his work. Same thing on this side, where he left a bolt right there, and it's like flush in there. So usually people would put a weld to it, or I don't know. I'm stuck on that, but I'm gonna try to get these new headers on, and hopefully that and the other bolt on the other side don't give me any issues with escaping any fluid or any, I don't know,
What did he say?
anything. But yeah, now we're gonna get where they at, the new ones on with the new gasket, which I just stepped on. Fudge.